Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. And on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Pisces on your side. So on your side we have the Hermit. Okay, so you are detached, trying to figure out things, trying to make up your mind, listening to your intuition, perhaps retreated in this relationship. Let's see what's there on your person side. What's there on the person side for Pisces? What's there on your person side, Pisces? Okay, so the Queen of Swords. So this person is detached from you. They are not investing. Both of you perhaps are not talking to each other, Pisces. Let's see what's the most likely outcome of this situation. The most likely outcome in this connection. What's the most likely outcome of this connection for Pisces? Okay, so we have the Knight of Cups as the most likely outcome. So perhaps somebody here is ready to open up emotionally for you, to have some sort of a new beginning, something, definitely something is opening up, I should say it's, because right now both of you are not talking, so at least either some communication or something which gives you a feeling of being loved, or some inclination at least will be there. That's what I feel. Let's see what's this Hermit here for. What's this Hermit here for? What's this Hermit card here for? So for the Hermit we have the Lovers, the Tower, the Fool, three major cards, and the Hermit itself is a major card. So something significant has happened in this relationship. Oh, Hermit, again a Hermit. I haven't seen a reading like this till now, in which all the major cards and being clarified by the major cards out there. And then we have the Ten of Cups. That's really beautiful. Page of Cups and the Star. Oh, so many major cards out there, Pisces. Something is definitely significant here. That's really surprising, I should say. I haven't seen a reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 major cards out there. Anyway, let's see why is this Queen of Swords here for. What's behind this Queen of Swords energy for this person of Pisces they are dealing with? What's behind this Queen of Swords? For the Queen of Swords, they have the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Four of Swords, the Five of Wands, Temperance, Nine of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay? With the Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, nothing great. Six of Cups, okay. Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles. Oh, let's see. Now, let's see what's this Knight of Cups about. Let's see what's behind this Knight of Cups for Pisces. So for the Knight of Cups, we have the Justice, the Ten of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, King of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Empress. So definitely seems to be a new beginning out here. So Pisces, on your side we have the Hermit. As I've already told you, you're retreating or have retreated from this situation due to certain circumstances. Okay, maybe you were forced to retreat because we have the tower there, so something unexpectedly has happened in this connection, because of which you have to retreat. But yes, you have retreated. You are trying to listen to your inner voice, trying to come to a decision, trying to figure out as to what's going on, what should be done. And both of you are not talking to each other, as I said. With the lovers being there, this seemed to be a very beautiful connection. A lot of passion in this connection was there or is still there. That is how you feel for them. Okay, and with the tower, the fool and the hermit, what I feel is something has happened unexpectedly, which has one more thing which I am getting here is which has forced you to be single in some way. Something has happened to cause you a retreat, which has forced you to be single and just take a leap of faith, because you really are not able to be with them, you are not able to talk to them. Something has really happened unexpectedly, because of which you really don't have any option but yes, just to give it the time and just see what is lying ahead, what will happen next. It's something like that. You really, because whatever has happened and you really don't know what else to do. So what you are doing is you are just listening to your intuition. You are just you have just left yourself to fate or time, you can say, in a good way. Okay, let's see how things will unfold, let's see what happens. It's something like that. Okay, and you're just trying to figure out how things will shape up in your life and what should be done, something like that. And you have just surrendered to, I should say, the divine or the universe, whatever universe brings you. It's something like that, because unexpectedly something has happened in this connection, okay, which has forced you to retreat, I should say. You are definitely trying to figure out and thinking deep still about it. With the Ten of Pentacles being there, you wanted a commitment from this person. With the Page of Cups and the Star, what I feel here is that yes, maybe a small message or something like that, a small beginning, at least that you want. With the Star, I think that is what you want. You want a new beginning with this, from this person. You want a commitment. You really feel that this is your dream come true, this is your wish fulfillment. You want a commitment. And with the Page of Cups, I think though this situation seems to be beyond reach right now, but I think a small step will be taken, or that is what you think you should take towards this connection. Okay, and that is how I think, that is what you are trying to figure out. Or maybe that is what you want them to take, because with the Page of Cups in this image, what I feel is you find it unattainable or out of reach as for now. So perhaps you are wishing for them to take some action. That's what I feel. Okay, because with the double Hermit being there, I really don't think you are doing anything, any action. With the Star being there, you are just wishing for things to be okay or things to be fine. But I really don't think that you are yourself going to initiate anything. Okay, and on their side we have the Queen of Swords. So definitely both of you are detached, not talking to each other. A very cold behavior is there in both of in this relationship, in from both of you, I should say, because both of you have retreated. And the reason is the Seven of Cups. Somebody was not able to make up their mind. Somebody was being very, very indecisive. Maybe they had many options. Maybe for whatever reason it was, somebody was not able to make up their mind. But now they are thinking of walking away from this indecisiveness. With the Four of Wands, sorry, the Four of Swords, the Five of Wands, and the Temperance. So there has been an argument, a fight between both of you, which was unexpected, because of this indecisiveness which was going on in this person's mind. But now I think because you are not talking, it has given them the time to heal, sort of, and they have to some extent moderated this situation in their mind. With the Temperance card being there, they have healed, they have come to some sort of a decision. Okay, let me put these cards here and just see what, show you what it was here. Okay, so what I feel here is that since with the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles, somebody is trying to make up their mind. Since they've been juggling this situation, they were confused for whatever reason it was. but now they have, I think they have made a decision. They're trying to balance the situation, trying to walk away from this confusion. They've healed from whatever the argument was. I think it was some argument which has caused this confusion or this situation between both of you. But I think they want to sort out this fight. Okay, they themselves are really not happy with it. It's been a long time perhaps now in this situation, and now they are feeling very, very unhappy. They are feeling very happy after unhappy in this situation. Okay, so I think they have got over that. Whatever the fight was, after retreating from this situation, they have got over it. Now they are in the okay mood, I should say, in a simple language. Their mood is now okay. They are feeling okay now. They are ready to leave this indecisiveness and leave this fight. They want balance in this relationship. They want to balance this relationship because it's been a long time, and they are very, very upset now. They feel very, very upset. Okay, with the Chariot, they really want a new beginning. They want to gain control in this situation. They want the control back in this relationship. They want to take action. With the Queen of Wands, they really find you very, very attractive. Their eyes are glued on you. There's a lot of passion in this connection. So maybe they are just waiting for the right time to act. With the Page of Pentacles, definitely there is some step is being taken in this direction of a Six of Cups, which is a reconciliation. So I think they are, but maybe they have not shown that to you with the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. Maybe they are just trying to figure out as to how should I make the move. What should I do now? Because though there is a reconciliation, they are wanting it. They want the control back in this situation, but they are just perhaps trying to make up their mind as to how to make it. How to initiate perhaps. With the Page of Pentacles being there, maybe that is what they are trying to make up their mind on. As the most likely outcome, we have the Knight of Cups. So definitely somebody is opening up here emotionally, and for that we have the Justice. So things are getting sorted out, perhaps things are back to balance, and with the Ten of Cups being there, okay, so what I feel is this person with the Knight of Swords, somebody here was always in urgency of something else, and they were always leaving you behind. Okay, so something was there, something else was going on in their life, because of which they were leaving you again and again. That's what I feel. And because of that, with the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Swords again there has been a lot of I should say cold energy in this relationship. Both of you are being distant. Both of you are not talking to each other. Okay, both of you are totally detached, and it's a very cold energy out here. Okay, but things are getting balanced because somebody here is wanting a commitment, is wanting happiness back. I am saying back because we have the reconciliation card there. So somebody is trying to sort out this situation or balance this situation back. With the Justice being here and the Temperance card being there, I think this person, because this person is not taking any initiative over here, they're just wishing and praying for a new beginning, but this person has to take a decision. Perhaps that is what they are. They have balance. Maybe they have realized something. Maybe they have something has come to their mind, which is helping them to sort out whatever needed to be sorted out. And here we have the Ace of Pentacles, which is a new beginning. Definitely the King of Wands and the King of Pentacles and the Empress. So definitely there is a new beginning. A brand new beginning is there in this. With the Knight of Wands, King of Wands and the King of Pentacles. One more thing, and here we have the Knight of Swords. One more thing which is there is this person definitely has a lot of passion for you. This person wants to give you stability and commitment perhaps. But one more thing which is coming to my mind here is that maybe this is a person with all the kings out there. Maybe this person wants control. Maybe this is a person who wants to have things their own way. Okay, and maybe that was the cause of the fight. Maybe something was happening in this connection because of this. Maybe it was arrogance, maybe it was domination, maybe it was they wanted to have things their own way perhaps. But it can be, maybe you're dealing with somebody like that according to the status. Maybe you're dealing with something like that according to the nature. But yes, with the kings and kings being there, that is what I feel. But yes, there is a new beginning with the Empress, the Ten of Cups. Things are getting sorted out, things are getting balanced, and yes, you can expect a new beginning from this person. Let's see what is the message from the universe for Pisces. Be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. Number 45 may be of some significance for you. So maybe you have to show genuinely that you really care for this person, because right now both of you are detached, both of you are not even talking to each other. There is a lot of cold energy over here. So maybe you have to be supportive. You have to show that you care for the other person. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.